Hey nerd, Shodan is a search engine for internet-oriented devices that index all the devices connected to internet. It is different from the normal Google search because it contains the data that the Google doesn't show. It shows all the devices that is exposed on the internet. So first we are going to make account on it and then going to search for internet connected devices. Let me open Firefox and search over here shodan.io. Now over here you can see a login button. You have to make account on it. If you don't have, you can register over here entering the username, password and email. So first let me see the some basic command, and if you have seen the Google Dorking video it will help. So let me use webcam, let me search for webcam or webcam 7. Because of this odd it is not showing. So now it indexes all the open cameras which are present on the internet and contain the word webcam 7. There are some from USA and from Spain and from which organization it is from. You can see this much information over here. It shows the IP of it. And over here you can see some screenshots like this. You can use their website for finding more filters. This is the live webcam I am viewing. So let me close this out and view some more. So now let me add has screenshot true. It will list all the webcam that has screenshot in it, like this one, and it will remove all those which doesn't have. It is a very useful command. It is very useful filter for finding the open ones. So let me remove it and let me search for something like Apache or HTTP sites. So over here I will type Apache. Now you can see here it is showing the all Apache websites which are running on the internet. Per minute it crawls 100 of sites, so you will find the relevant information according to your need. Like this I can use filters from here also. Let me open this one. Over here you can see the IP of it, which country it is, which city it is, ISP organization. So for visiting the site, let me do a thing that let me visit the site from over here. So Firefox is not allowing me to view that site. Okay, that's fine. Now let me move to more sites, like it is from Taiwan. So it is an web mail service running on Linux. Okay, let me view more. Like over here it is Japan. We can view it too. Oh, here you can see a lot of services running with the information. It shows some similar result like Nmap. If you have seen that video, then you can also relate with it. Oh, so this is a Japanese site which you are saying right now. Now let me search for specific ports like 80. So it will list all the machines that the port 80 is opened. So let me wait for the response. Over here you can see all the HTTP sites or port 80 site you are seeing over here. This is from Netherlands. Oh, so the connection is failed over here. This is from India. So let me see. Okay, so it's asking for, let me go advanced and proceed with it. Wait it to be loaded. So it redirected me to this. Oh, so this is a login page. Now as you can see, I have find the informations like specific port services and the webcams. We search for FTP. So search, let me know the port of FTP. So the port is 21. Over here let me type port 21, FTP port 21. Now all the FTP which is means pro FTP or the FTP servers which are open on the IPs are shown over here, index over here, around 1433387 it's showing. And you can search for a specific country, like over here let me search for USA. So it is only listing from United States. As you can see, very much information from here. You can also search for printers, TV, smart speaker. Let me try for printer using the port. So I think this is pretty much for today video. Everything is covered. Just explore by yourself and don't do anything illegal. If you do, you are solely responsible for it, and be a good citizen. Bye bye.